Congratulations on joining thingQbator. Now it's time to take your next step and choose the track that suits your goals. Let's talk about Entrepreneurship Track, where your ideas come to life and your vision becomes a reality. The Entrepreneurship Track is designed for innovators like you. Here, you will get everything you need to turn your ideas into impactful projects. From refining your concept to building a prototype, this track equips you with the tools you need to succeed. You will work closely with mentors and industry experts who will guide you through every step of the way. Plus, you will have access to essential resources, prototype funding, and replenishment to bring your ideas to life. This isn't just about building, it's about showcasing. You will have the opportunity to pitch your prototypes, gather valuable feedback, and connect with industry leaders, investors, and innovators. Join a thriving community of changemakers, share your journey, and get inspired by alumni who have transformed their ideas into startups. Are you ready to lead, create, and succeed? To submit your idea, log into the thingQbator website and go to the dashboard. Click on My Projects and then select Create Project. This will direct you to the application form. Clicking Next will take you to the Idea Title section, where you need to enter the idea's name, select the industry type from the drop-down menu, and mention if your idea has a social impact. Then click Save and Next. Now, in the Identify a Challenge section, describe the problem your idea addresses and provide a short description to explain it. Once done, click Save and Next. In the next step, specify the technology required for your product or service. Enter the type of technology needed to build your idea. After this, click Save and Next. In the last step, enter the email address of your team members and click Submit. If you don't have a team yet, you can edit this section later. Once submitted, your idea will be enlisted as an application. Choose the Entrepreneurship Track and build something extraordinary. Your journey starts here.